Afternoon guys, so I think it's about 2 p.m. today and I just spontaneously decided that I'm gonna try and attempt to take a colectivo, which is like the shared shuttle bus to Akumal beach, and yeah, which is famous for swimming with the turtles. I'm a little bit excited to be honest. It's gonna be an adventure. I haven't taken any of those collectivos before and I'm a little bit scared because I'm not sure how good their English is. Well, my Spanish unfortunately is very limited, so yeah, so it's gonna be an adventure and hopefully we get there. And I took my GoPro, so I'm hopefully gonna get some great shots of turtles. But with everything, when it comes to traveling, I'm staying positive and I'm sure somehow I'm gonna figure out how to get there. I know I have to take the colectivo to Tulum, and somehow I explained I have to get off the bus in Akumal. Yeah, I'm sure we're gonna get there somehow. Alright, so this is the highway. Here is Chendraui Mall, right here, McDonald's, and the taxi driver just dropped me off here and said that's the colectivo to Tulum / Akumal. So I don't know how, but we'll figure this out, I guess. So that was actually way easier than I expected it to be. So it turns out under this highway is the main stop for all the collectivos, and all you have to do is look for the collectivo that goes to Tulum and tell the driver that you want to get off in Akumal. Alright guys, I don't know how, but I made it to Akumal and it was super easy and it was only 40 pesos, which is amazing. It takes about 80 minutes from Playa to Akumal. So now I'm just gonna look around a little bit, maybe grab a bite, and then I'm not sure which direction the beach is, and then I'll find out where the beach is and how to swim with turtles. I love street art, and that seems to be a good place for that. You look at that. And then here, the whole wall. Turtles! Hopefully we're gonna see some today. That would be amazing. Alright, I made it to Akumal, home of the turtles. I'm just trying to figure out which direction the beach is, but I think it's actually down here. But I'll better check my Google Maps because I don't want to get lost, right? There's cute little restaurants on the way and more street art. So nice. It's a cute little town. I think I have to come back here just to check out Akumal itself, I guess. So yeah, we came up this highway here, and then I think the cab did a U-turn up there where the turtle was, and then yeah, I just have to walk right here. Look at it, it's so beautiful. It's so cute here. Yeah, so I just follow this street, and then at the end of it there should be the beach. Little shops here. Even the highway bridge is full of street art. I really like that. Alright, so I just keep following this road, I guess. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to cross this? Because that's a highway. Okay. I see. So we came from here, and then here is a footpath over the highway, and then down there should be the beach somewhere. Look at that. So cool. So beautiful. I think every highway should have murals on it. Alright, so let's try not to get killed here. I'm not sure if that's... Oh no, it's probably on the other side. Oh, over there is where I'm gonna catch the colectivo back to Playa, I guess. This footpath definitely has seen better days, but I guess it does the job, right? Here. Beautiful view of the highway. I just found that sign, so this is what I hope to see today. So obviously turtles, and what's that? Barracudas, I think, and corals. And I think, oh yeah, there's manta rays too, or stingrays. So, oh my god, that's gonna be so amazing! I'm so excited. Can't stop looking at this wall. I don't know if you like street art as much as I do, but that's really something I can appreciate everywhere I go. I've been to Georgetown, Penang Island, which is famous for its street art, and it's just amazing. So if you like that kind of stuff, definitely put Georgetown on your bucket list, and also Akumal, as it looks like. Here is the arch and the OXO store. I actually seen in another YouTube video, because I watched a few videos before to find out where to go and what to do and stuff. Downtown now, which looked pretty cute in the video, but the video was from like 2017, I think. So let's see how it looks now. So here we just have the typical tourist stores. As I said, there was an OXO over there. Those guys probably just booked a tour. Gonna go and swim with the turtles as well. Dive shop. I don't know if there's anyone in here, but let's see. Hola, buenas tardes.
Hola.
I'm just looking for snorkeling.
Do you want to take a tour or just want to go in to swim by yourself?
I don't know. Do I see anything if I go by myself?
I don't think so, because there is in the protected area is the place where you can see some tours if you want to see the turtles.
Okay, so
we have two options.
yeah.
You can go in with the guide directly swimming in the protected area.
Mm-hmm.
In the protected area is where the seagrass grow up, so the tourists come to eat that.
Okay.
Or you can take the boat in the shore. We're going to take you to the reef. There is a coral reef, so you will see everything, a little bit of everything: coral, fishes, the turtles, and sometimes you can see stingrays too around there.
Okay.
Anyone is during 1 hour more or less, and we're going to provide the equipment, the access to the beach, and
So how much
And
is the
everything,
boat?
the equipment is included there.
Everything what?
The equipment is included there.
Okay, well I have a snorkel and everything. So.
Okay.
So how much is the boat and how much is the tour out
Anyone
here?
is $35. Anyone that you choose.
Anything.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Alright, so the local dive shop, the last boat tour out is at 3:30, so I'm a little bit late, it's already 4. But I found this little place here in the back that takes me snorkeling for 600 pesos, and hopefully we see something. So I'm just gonna come back another day and take out a boat. I just have to be here a little bit early. So I'm gonna change because we're gonna leave in about 15 minutes, and if I'm lucky, it might be even a private tour, so we'll see.
We don't touch anything in the water, we don't touch turtles, fishes, stingrays, anything, okay? Even the body.
Alright, I just came back from snorkeling here with turtles, and it was amazing. We've seen so many turtles. We saw squid, we saw a stingray, different fish, and yeah, I'll definitely gonna do this again. It was amazing, and I would recommend it to everyone. It was 600 pesos, but yeah, you get a guide, and we were just a group of 5 plus a guide. So yeah, it was very, very nice. But you can not only snorkel here, it's also a very, very beautiful beach just to chill out, enjoy the sunshine, go for a little dip in the water. And yeah, there's lots of restaurants and bars, and there's even lockers, so if you need something to store your stuff. I'm back on my way to the colectivo, back to Playa del Carmen. It was amazing. I'm so happy I came here. I actually just met really nice people that I hung out with after snorkeling. Yeah, it was a really nice day. Now I'm heading back. It's totally worth it. So if you're in this area, make sure you're gonna come down to Akumal Bay and swim with the turtles and the stingrays and all the other wildlife. It was just so beautiful. I'm definitely gonna come back. Yeah, put down in the comments below if you've actually been here, or if you have anything else that I should go and explore while I'm here. All right guys, I can't wait to edit this video and share the footage with you, because it's just gonna be amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna head back to Playa, get something to eat, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.